Hello everyone, welcome to Dream Decor. Today in this video I share with you some vintage country home decoration ideas. Let's see the video. Vintage country home decor is a warm, nostalgic decorating style that blends old world charm, rural simplicity and time-worn beauty. It celebrates the feeling of a cozy countryside home filled with history, comfort, and handcrafted details. Since you love vintage cottage and farmhouse styles, this aesthetic fits beautifully with your taste. It's like a softer, more lived-in version of vintage farmhouse decor. What defines vintage country home decor? Taste and aesthetic materials. Vintage country homes favor materials that look naturally aged, not polished. Solid wood furniture with distressed finishes. Wicker, rattan, and can. Iron, brass, or copper accents. Stone, brick, and ceramic elements. Nothing looks burning. Everything feels loved and used over time. Soft, earthy color palette. Colors are inspired by nature and old country homes. Cream, ivory, beige, autumnal, sage green, dusty blue, soft green, muted florals, and faded pastels. These shades create a calm, comforting atmosphere. Vintage and antique furniture. Furniture often looks inherited or collected over years. Farmhouse tables and leather-back chairs. Dressers repurposed and sideboards. Hatches for displaying dishes. Turned leg tables and wooden benches. Small imperfections add to the charm. Cozy textiles and handmade touches. Textiles play a big role in softening the space. Floral or gingham curtains, linen and cotton cushions, patchwork quilts and crochet throws, lace runners and tablecloths. Handmade details give the space a heartfelt, homey feel. Rustic decorative accessories. Decor is meaningful, not minimal. Vintage clocks, enamelware, tin jugs, old books, baskets, glass jars, ceramic pictures, bread boxes, framed botanical prints, or family photos. Each piece tells a quiet story. Nature-inspired elements. The outdoors is always welcomed inside. Fresh or dried flowers, green plants, and clay on metal pots. Wooden crates and open baskets, benches, herbs, or seasonal florals. This connection is nature is essential to country style. Start with a soft, calm base. Choose gentle, country-inspired colors for walls and large furniture. Cream, warm white, soft beige, sage green, muted blue, pale grey. These shades make the space feel open, peaceful, and timeless. timeless. Choose furniture with character. Avoid modern, glossy furniture. Instead, look for distressed wood or antique style pieces. Use farmhouse tables, wooden chairs, and old cabinets. Repurpose vintage dressers as storage or TV units. Scratches and worn edged add charm. Don't hide them. Layered cozy country textiles. Textiles are key in vintage country homes. Floral or gingham curtains, linen or cotton cushion covers, crochet throws, and lace runners. Layering creates warmth and a lived-in feel. Thanks for